Got their breakfast going. Bacon. Oh, yeah. Sausage, egg, and cheese. Let's eat. Don't mind the morning face. Just woke up. Man, made breakfast. Anyways, guys, day 4. We're gonna be heading out, packing up everything. Man, time flies by. Time flies by fast. Yeah. Still gotta pack my tent. This is my dad's tent. Pretty cool. Put a tent on top of that. It's a whole kit. Just like that. Cleanup is done. Everybody else got out of here quick. Oh man. Dad. Yeah, but yeah. Not a bad day. Can't wait to do this again, man. We're talking next time. Definitely bring some fly traps and some wasp traps and something for mosquitoes for sure, because that's the 3 main problems we have with bugs. Other than that, everything else is good. No ants. No scorpions, just mine. And then we'll definitely put this out in the water because, yeah, we need to rebuttal this one again. It sucks, but man, we had fun in Mitch's boat though. It was cool. All right, all ready to go. I think I'll see if we can catch some fish before we leave. The tradition before we leave any place. A couple more last casts. Never know. Now this is about the time yesterday where we threw in a couple lures and caught some caught some fish, and so who knows? Maybe we'll have some good luck today too. So, man, it is nice. Dad can't wait to get in there. It's a little greener today than yesterday. Yep, back. Oh, bluegill. A bunch of bluegill. Wow. Getting them? All right there. Got a bluegill. There we go. Oh, it's a sunfish. It's orange. Ooh, careful. Here. Full of energy. Look at that. That'd be nice in a fish tank. Here comes the bass. Get it. Nope. Switching it out. This one, that one, that's what we caught most of them on yesterday. Try it over there. Nope. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yeah. It's a good spot.
I just want to see if you're okay, good.
Oh, he got off. Fish is like, what the heck just happened? That's a decent sized one. Yeah. Yeah. Couple fish on the way out. Oh, by the way, these for one bedroom is 120, but sometimes they have more than one bedroom, so the prices vary. So, but yeah, it could be up to $200 and something a night. But if you get like a group, 3 or 4 people sharing the same cabin, it's worth it. Definitely worth it, especially if you have a boat or something. Take it out. Nice little cabin to sleep in. Yeah, so this is a resort / camping ground, but yeah, it's still not bad. Not bad. And they all come with showers and bathrooms and stuff, so you don't have to share the bathroom and showers here. This is all for the campers. I think I said like maybe 10, 15 camping spots for tents. And then the rest over here are all for motorhomes and campers and stuff. They have little drain flush out systems and stuff like that for your campers. All right. All done here. So long, Vieiras Resort. That was fun. Until next time. I didn't think about it, but I've been putting Iselton on the thumbnails on this whole trip. I should probably put this on the trip for sure. That's gonna be changing. Well, it's a good thing I followed my dad, because the lid to the motor, I guess, wasn't strapped, and the lid pretty much almost flew off on the freeway. So I called him up. I said, hey, you're gonna lose your lid. Oh man, good thing I followed him though. We got all the way to Concord off Clayton Road, or Solano. This is Solano. And coming down Highway 4, it just hit a bump and went flying up, and luckily it came off and landed inside the boat, so we're good. Man, oh, what a trip. All right, good thing I followed him. He was like, oh, I would have known what to do if you didn't follow me. All right, I think he's good to go now. So long, Dad. Boy, that would have been all bad, dude. Luckily I was following behind him. He called me up, or I called him up, and he's like, yeah, if it falls off, just make sure you catch it. I'm like, yeah, I'll catch it with my car. Right in my windshield. Yeah, there we go. We're joking though. That's funny. But yeah, made sure to get him all the way back. Got him all the way back to Concord, and he should be good now. Everything else is good. Should be. I told him, I said, that'd be funny if he got home and somehow the boat just turned on. Go figure, it's a fuse or something. Oh man, what a weekend. What a weekend. Home sweet home. All right. Well, made it home safely. Gonna unpack, unwind. Not as tired as it was coming back from the desert, obviously, because the desert just drains the heck out of you. That heat, working the whole time. This was a lot more chill, relaxing. Yeah, it was fun. Let's see, next. Not sure what's going to be up next on the channel. I definitely want to get back in these theme parks and catch up with all the Halloween festivities. We got Fright Fest coming up, and then I got to set up my next trip down to LA. I was talking to my dad, and yeah, he said he's down, so towards the end of the month we're gonna head back down to LA and do some Not Scary Farm, Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, and then not doing any Disney this year. Probably skipping out on that. It's getting kind of expensive, and the fact that it sells out so quick, it's just I've done it the first 2 years it was out, and I don't know. I think if I were to be with somebody again it'll be fun, but for myself, I think I'm just gonna skip it for now. But yeah, everything else is, you know, the real scary stuff I'm really interested in. So, man, Universal Studios, guys. If you guys watched my last series last year, I had so much fun. It was so much fun. I went by myself and man, did all the haunted houses, and yeah, I can't wait to go there and show my dad this time. It's gonna be freaking amazing. So yeah, it's gonna be happening in a few weeks. I gotta save up some money. I gotta get a hotel and stuff like that again, and probably gonna end up driving for sure. Just drive my own car. Shouldn't have any problems this time. Knock on wood. But yeah, should be a good series. And then after that, shoot, like 2 or 3 weeks after that, going on a cruise, 7-day cruise. I'm gonna be doing a solo cruise down to Mexico. I cannot wait for that. That's gonna be another fun excursion series on the Discovery Princess. Some of you guys might be familiar with that. I've been following Princess for a while. It's one of their newer ships. They have one newer ship that's just came out, I think, last year, the Sun Princess, which is their newest, biggest ship. So this one came out, I think, 2018 or 2019. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But the Discovery is their second last newest ship they just made. So, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Can't wait. It's gonna be a 7-day cruise, and a lot of stuff coming down the chamber on the channel. So can't wait, man. It's gonna be fun. But anyways, gotta get back to work this week. Gonna be pretty much working, staying busy, saving money, cause yeah, these trips are fun. Camping's fun, you know. Not as much money spent on that. But that last trip for my brother, I mean, I'm glad it's family going out there. Whatever he wants to do, I can't really say anything, you know, about what he's doing with his life. You know, it's his choice. But all I can do is, you know, be there for him, support him. And it's been nice, man. Almost every day now we're talking. He's texting me, I'm texting him, and he's keeping me updated on his homestead. If you guys are interested in following his channel, he does have a YouTube channel. He posts sometimes. Now he's going to be posting more regularly because he's got service now. Before it was like he had to wait till he had to get into town and have Wi-Fi and then upload his videos, and he'd upload like 5 or 6 videos at a time. But now he's got a phone, he's got service, so he's going to be uploading more frequently. But he does have a YouTube channel, so if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment and I will definitely show you the link on there. So but yeah, it's pretty fascinating. Sometimes he just shows random stuff that he deals with living out in the middle of the desert. So some of the animals he comes across, some of the, you know, the struggles he goes through, and stuff like that. So some of the cool stuff flying over him too. There's a really fascinating airport next to him. Virgin Airlines is next, flies out of there, and they fly this ship or this aircraft thousands of feet up, or way up in the air, and it's just crazy looking. Anyways, but it's pretty crazy looking aircraft they have fly over. But yeah, other than that, like I said, just be working, and yeah, if you guys have any more questions, I'd love your guys' comments. I'll see you guys down below. So see you guys next video. My name's Eldon. All right, guys, have a good day.